Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add HTML code to Canva website. So, an important note, Canva does not allow you to directly add raw HTML code into a Canva website like traditional site builders. However, you can embed a certain widget like form, videos, iframe tools using the embed option if the service provides an embed link or iframe. So, the correct method is by navigating to Canva first. So log into your Canva account and simply navigate to your projects. After navigating to your projects, simply choose the website that you want to edit. Then click edit design or just click it and it will instantly open the website in another page. Now on the left sidebar, click apps just right here and search for embed. Click on the embed icon and choose open. This tool will allow you to add HTML based widgets only if they provide an embed or iframe URL. Now a box will appear asking for an embed URL. Paste the service iframe link just right here. As you can see, paste the web link here. So for example, you can choose YouTube embed, Google Forms embed, Typeform, etc. and click add to design. So if I choose YouTube, it will show up an example and you'll be able to embed that design just like this. If I choose Spotify, it will show up like this where you can easily place this on your website and you can paste the embed code link just right here. So you can resize, move or position the embed frame anywhere on your page and this will appear as an interactive widget on your published site. So you can embed YouTube videos, Google Forms, Calendly, Typeform, Maps, external widgets with iframe links. Make sure you have the iframe links, but you cannot add a raw HTML, JavaScript, CSS or custom coded components. And if you want a site where you can paste full custom code, you can use Wix, Webflow, WordPress or Framer instead. So basically download the embed app and you'll be easily able to embed all these features on your website on Canva. After you do this, click publish website and click publish again and your site will be live. So that's a simple way through which you can add HTML code to Canva website. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.